Good day, everyone. Today is my honor and pleasure to be here presenting you the project Science and Astronomy in Southern Botswana, which was founded by the OAD. My name is Fulvio Franchi. I'm an associate professor at Botswana International University of Science and Technology. And here with me today is Bill Tomlinson, which is the founder of the company Diamonds in the Sky that deals with astronomy and education in Botswana. So the country we've been working in is Botswana, where we are situated. And the idea of this project came from a discussion originated by the colleagues of Diamond in the Sky. And the issue we have to deal with in this country are very common across the continent, and are the inequality between remote and rural dwellers and others, especially those living in the city. And that is especially concerning when we look at science education. The resources are often unevenly distributed between rural schools and schools within a larger city. Students and teachers are normally living in tents, and they don't have the tools for teaching. So we suggested a change of paradigm in order to improve the way science is taught in these rural areas, and by introducing new approaches, empowering teachers and inspiring young students. So for this project, we targeted a school in a village called Machana, where there are 13 teachers, mostly young women, and where students can walk up to 20 kilometers in order to reach the school. There are other similar schools in the area that eventually got involved in the project. Our plan was to provide basic training to the teachers and some materials in order for improving the way science was taught. So as I said, the idea started back in 2019 when Diamonds in the Sky engaged the government in order to improve science and education in rural area. The idea was to start with Machana, but the ministry got engaged and they suggested to include 9 other schools. So at the end of the day, in the project, we had 13 teachers from 10 different schools that were involved, and a final event in Machana in this rural area. So what is the project? Is a collaboration between Diamond in the Sky, Botswana International University of Science and Technology, the Pan-African Planetary Space Science Network, and it was clearly founded by the OAD. The idea was to provide school teachers with practical training and with some equipment, including Galileo scope, some fold scope, like this beautiful paper microscope. And the training would be a 4-day event in Kanya, a small city in southern Botswana, to move for a last day event with stargazing in the village of Machana. Here is a slide on the training event. Here you can see all the teachers and the educator, Dr. Yulusoi and myself from Buste, and Dr. Tsipa from University of Botswana. And this event lasted 4 days, and we talk about astronomy, astrophysics, planetary science, and so on. And then the final day event in Machana, where we did during the day some basic science experiment, including the use of paper microscope. And we concluded when Diamond in the Sky organized a stargazing event. At the end of this event, certificate of attendance were awarded to every teacher, as you can see in this slide, which is very important for them and for their training. But we also organize some questionnaires in order to gather information on, for instance, what are the challenges and what they've learned from this event. We're proud to say that this event was already replicated in other rural schools, and the government is very keen to expand the program in astronomy for both education and tourists, particularly in training of the guides. Thank you, and See you soon.